welcome back to my channel. I'm Srijita. We are in the car as you guys can see, and we are going to the... Where are we going? Ikea. We're going to the Ikea. And Ikea is very near to our home. It's just 9 minutes drive. Anna? Yes, it's just 9 minutes drive. When we live in Arizona, it was like 45 minutes drive to Ikea from our home. So it was very far, but now it's very near. So I am happy, and hopefully you could find some. Actually, we're going to get some knickknacks like mugs, or like small stuff, not any big furniture or anything. So let's see what we could find there, and I'm going to take you guys along. So stay tuned. ক্লিয়ার মাগ নেব তো আমরা।
ক্লিয়ার মাগ, ইয়েস।
এরকম নেবে না এই শেপটা ভালো লাগছে, বাট এই ধরাটা একটু চাপে, তাই না?
না না, ওটা গরম ভালো লাগবে না, ভালো করে হোল্ড করতে না পারলে।
এটা আমাদের সেই দেশের ওই ভাড়ের ইয়ের
কাঁচা গ্লাস,
বাট উইথ হ্যান্ডেল। কোনটা ফেলে না দেয়, কোনটা নেবে, কোনটা ভালো লাগছে? বড় আছে, বড়গুলো ঠিক কাঁচের ভালো লাগছে না, তাই না? এই শেপটা বেশি ভালো লাগছে, তাই না?
হ্যাঁ, এটাই না।
চল
গিয়ে
IKEA. We are having lunch. It's 2:15 now. There is Kian. There is Shomo. What are you having?
Pork and fries. That's it.
That's it. And I'm having some rice. There's chicken tenders and it's strawberry shortcake. And he's also having some fries. I though gave him some pasta and rice, but I'm sure he's not gonna have that. So yeah, after that we'll be done and we'll head out. And I'm going to show you guys what I got after I reach home. So yeah. Hello, it's the next day. I haven't shared yesterday what we got from IKEA. So let's share it today. Here is all the things I'm going to share. So let's do it. So the first thing we got is this plastic bag organizer, like the bags we get when we do the groceries. We keep those bags for trash or whatever reasons. So to store those bags, yes, mommy. To store those plastic bags or organize those, I got this 2-pack one. I am thinking of keeping one in the pantry and one in upstairs, maybe any of the bathrooms. I'm going to keep it. So yes, you just need to, it says you need to click it like yes, this. It's can you open? I can't do this now. Oh, it's working. You basically need to click all the... I can't do it. Have the instruction here, and after doing it, you can nail it to the wall. You can see it has 2 nail holes. So yeah, I got this 2 plastic bag organizer. Then Shomu got this 2 bins. I don't know why, maybe for his toy storage or something. So he got this 2 bins. Then we got 2 drying mat. It's black color or gray color. So we got 2 of them. Then we got 2 pack of saucepan or frying pan, whatever. So we got this one. Then we have this bag full of stuff. So, and we also got this plant from IKEA yesterday, and this is also from IKEA, but this I got, this I already had, so, but it's also from IKEA. So yeah, and so let's do this. So first thing is this salad spinner. You basically wash the salad, lettuce, whatever, into it, and then you need to like press it or rotate it or whatever. It will drain out all the water right in this bowl. So it's basically called salad spinner. So yeah, I got this funnel set to pour the oils or any kind of liquid to the bottle. So that's why I got this 2-pack funnel set. Then we got some of the mugs. You saw in my vlog that we are picking up some transparent mugs, so we picked up 6 of them, and then we got this mug as well. It's a off-white or cream color mug. We got 2 of them. Then we got some bowls, plates and spoons and glass set for Kian. So these are kids plates, bowl and glass set and spoon set. So yum. Then we got a scissor set, then a lemon squeezer, then these brushes I got for cleaning the bathroom floors, like bathtubs, so I got 4 of them. And then we got the candle set, tea light candle set. What else? This bag is done, it's empty now. And we also got a table and chair set for Kian. This is the chair set, we need to assemble it. This is the table we got, and we also got this chalkboard set for Kian as well. This side it has chalkboard, the other side it has paper, and it's basically like this thing. So yeah. By the way, tomorrow is Kian's 2nd birthday, so this table chair is one of his birthday gifts. We need to assemble it today, this one, and that gift, Kian is little small to use that, but eventually he's gonna do this maybe later when he's gonna be 2.5 or 3 years old. But we got it anyways. We are going to give it as his birthday gift, but maybe we're not gonna open it. So yeah. And yeah guys, that's all we got from Ikea, and this video will be all about Ikea, so I'm going to end this vlog here. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, let me know. And if you love to watch my videos, haven't subscribed to my channel, consider subscribing, that will be great. And yeah, I'm going to see you guys soon with a new video. Till then, keep smiling, stay healthy. Bye guys.